Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Tobias. Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing While True Learn, a fun puzzle coding game in which we have to optimize and find the best solution to each task that is given to us. With that being said, let's hop right in. So, here we are. This is the game I'm going to start brand new from the tutorial. I have played it before, but I couldn't say I remember that much. I have become a theme on this channel already. I think that just happens when you become a father and stop gaming for a while. Congratulations. To become a programmer, you must master your art of turning on the computer. Fair enough. Press and hold the flashing triangle to drag connect it. When it's done, press power. That will appear in the upper right part of the screen. Then you're almost a programmer. That just gave us the basic idea of how to put connections together. The triangles more or less tell us where the power goes. If it goes in, if it goes out. Oh no, we encountered a bug. Oh. Let's go out. Get a coffee. And yeah. I think I forgot to mention, we're not the programmer. We are the programmer, but our cat is the real hero here. Meow. How did you do that? Holy zeros, if only I could understand what this cat has to say. Meow. I guess I'll have to find a way to recognize your speech. Meow. Goal. Cat speech recognition. To-do list. Google it on Cat Overflow. Okay, that's epic. So yeah, our cat is apparently a genius programmer, and our task is to understand animal speech. Hey everyone, can you believe my cat? The little devil has debugged my code. Again. He definitely has something to say, so I decided to make some sort of system, algorithm, which would help me understand him. Give me advice, wish me luck maybe? P.S. I'm not insane, my mom had me tested. Don't rush ahead of yourself. Making a device that would be able to detect the cat would be a nice start. You can work with video, sound, etc. when the time is right. Hey, a couple of days ago I've been reading about expert systems. Can be applied for detecting animal and writing chatbots. The newspaper called them Deep News. I'll be sending you my copies once I'm done with them. Welcome to your workspace. This is where programming and bugs, mostly bugs, are born. To begin, drag an expert system node from the right. Drag the connection line from the starting node to the left. If you want to delete connections, place your mouse and press the right mouse button. So here's how it begins. This input from the camera will send us a few red and a few blue pixels, and we have to test if it is red, and if it is red we send it up here. If however not, we send it down there. Then we do a test run, which is not yet production, it's literally just a test. And we can see it seems to be working out. Let's increase the speed a bit. And this is the workload the machine has to do at the moment. And we did it in 21 seconds, which is what was the goal. Hey again, I've tried that expert system and it hardly makes sense. Where's the floating from left to right? Is that what the fuss is all about? Are you guys actually working here? This is called visual programming, my fellow dude. Yes, this is how it's supposed to work. The expert system analyzes your data input from the camera and checks if there's a cat on them. No, it's not what machine learning is all about. It will get hardcore soon enough. Well, I'm not good at it yet, apparently. What do I actually start building a cat translator? Don't rush it, friend. Don't rush it, friend. You gotta master your machine learning ninja skills first. I'm working as a freelancer, and the amount of contracts is crazy. I'll forward you some jobs I don't have time for. It will help you get on your feet and earn some cat bucks. Check your mail now. P.S. You're still paying for the servers though. Hey, does Opify? Hey, that's me. Noob advice. There's an Auto help for each new technology. Very convenient. I've turned it on for you now. No need to thank me, but probably want to change my password. My cat talks 123 is pretty obvious. Oh, fuck. Behold, the task tree. This is the map of your progress in the game. Vertical progression stands for story. Horizontals are optional. Icon colors stand for different types of machine learning text using respective tasks. Sound pretty simple, or so we hope. So going up the tree means we're learning, going left and right is optional, and we're definitely going to do optional tasks. So let's get out of here and check the tree. We have the task applicants, whatever that is. Oh yeah. Spanish school at cat.meow. Good days, we are from a public school. Summer exams have ended. The results are attached to the letter. Could you process them and predict which of our students will be able to enter the MIT? Oh, this seems highly illegal. Oh, and data security wise, very... See the colorful geometric shapes? They represent various kinds of data. Numbers, letters, elements of an image. In modern world, everything can be turned into data, and machine learning is all about sorting and interpreting data. Long story short, your goal in this game is to transfer data from the left part of the screen to the right. These parts show the minimum amount of data that needs to be processed to complete the task. Okay, we have to process at least 8 green and 8 blue datas. Yes, use an expert system and filter for green. I think that should do the trick already. Yep, that looks great. Oh, and we have an accuracy scale on the right, I see. Okay. We released program. We got 350, but our system used up 42 cat bucks some way, so we get 308 euros. What's eBay? Alloy does nothing. Has the Elder Scrolls 5 Skyrim pre-installed, mandatory for purchase. So this looks like just the room upgrades. This seems to be software additions. Oh boy, we can buy 1 megabyte of RAM. Epic. That reminds me, I should probably write that down. I have to download some more RAM. What else? Cat skins. Oh, cool. Oh my god, what did happen? What the fuck? Oh, I hope the recording didn't crash from that. Alright, I'm still here. I was foolish enough to click on this button and it took me out of the game into a website where I was supposed to enter my email to get a free cat skin. How about I don't do that? Oh, all Halloween themed, by the way. Didn't even realize. Anyway, let's get back into it. Error in the database. Hello. We have some errors in our questionnaires data. We can't solve the problems by ourselves. Can you please fix it? Of course. Your efficiency is measured not just in money, but with medals. Medals influence your story progression while boosting your self-esteem at the same time. Ah, I need that. Get a medal, your scheme has to meet the respective time and node limit. You can improve your result later on. Trash can. This node destroys elements. Important detail, no matter how many trash cans you place, they will only count for 1 node. Okay, so placing trash cans all around is just more convenient than having them crisscross. That's nice. In the real world. Oh, real data sets have lots of errors. Filtering out errors is a very important skill for all data scientists. That's great! Oh my god. I mean, I'm a civil engineer. I don't work with data. Oh, you know what I mean. But I guess that is a really great entry point if you're like a teen and interested in that sort of stuff. That the game takes you by the hand, shows you some gamey mechanics, and then leads you to an article that shows you the real deal. Cool. Okay, what's my job here? I have to get red and green into the output stream and no blue. So let's filter out blue. The rest may go through. But I'm guessing that 1 second means it takes 1 second to process a piece of data. Meaning the basically equivalent system of the lower one would be equivalent, but it would be slower because green pieces of data would take longer to arrive, or so I think to understand it. Let's do a test run. Yes, yes, excellent. $15 out of 15, 100% accuracy. We spent 28. Oh, 2 cat bucks per second was 56. I'm guessing 1 cat buck per piece of software then, or per node. Oh no, it just says up here how much euros per second. So it's in our best interest to increase the efficiency. But anyways, here we are, errors in the database, part 2. Oh, nice. You see down here, it tells me what kind of machine learning I'm doing here. Purple for almost machine learning, and green, which will be the next, is basic machine learning. I'm so excited. I'm excited. Hello, it's us again. We found some new types of errors made by our users. Please update your program. It will be easier if you will use the previous version of the code. Deep news. Non-neural artificial intelligence. Mankind has always been trying to create an artificial intelligence. Before the invention of neural networks, people used expert systems. An expert system is a deterministic algorithm which reproduces decisions of a real person. An example is Eliza, the very first chatbot in the world. It was created in 1966 and talked with the patient using questions similar to real psychotherapists. It worked horribly. Epic. Hey, check this out. Custom nodes are special nodes containing your previous designs. Press on the middle tab to switch to custom nodes. Direct the custom node sorting the color red to the workspace. If you want to modify the scheme inside custom node, double right on the... Okay. So this... So this is our previous code. We can now use as a single block, meaning that red will come out top, blue will come out the blue will come out the bottom. But now green will also come out the bottom because we filtered for reds to the top. Meaning I should be able to connect them up like this. Add a trash can here and just push it all down. Let's do a test run. Perfect! That wasn't too difficult. And I already see this piece has a server overhead, so at some point the pieces themselves will increase the cost. Which isn't so cool anymore. Okay, we have decision trees. Eliza World's first chatbot, so cute. Oh, I didn't want to go back here. Cat Overflow. Hey, is there any way to detect the cat without using expert system? It works for the text, but with pictures, not so much. Furthermore, the cat just won't sit still. that it does not. Try decision trees. Those are like expert systems on steroids. Once you feel comfortable around them, try Sift. This little devil is way more effective with pictures. Also works nicely when paired with other algorithms. Or you can use nails or glue or something. Come on, it's just a cat, it won't fight. I'm joking, please don't use anything I mentioned on an actual cat. Okay, that's great. Okay. Different nodes have different processing rates. This parameter will influence the efficiency of your program. Icons on the right indicate the amount of time required for a node to process one element. Okay. So as far as I understand, this is basically like a switch statement, if I remember my computer science classes correctly. How did we go about this? So green doesn't really matter where it goes. But, wait 1 second. Okay, I was looking for that. An element which satisfies none will go to a random. So I can use this, and red up top, blue to the bottom, and green will go to a random one. Which isn't too bad, because we want at least 2 greens and at least 2 greens here to satisfy the 12-12 requirement. And we'll get 5 of each on average. 11.5 seconds. That was rather quick. Okay. So now it starts to become a bit more tricky. Let's go to the optional path. Optimization. It's from the Spanish school again. Hello, it's us again. We hope it's our last request for you. We've changed our database type. Can you update your code? We need to work it faster. To decrease or increase the speed, we can use A and D. Okay, I've been doing that earlier. Only red fast. Well, if we do this, let's think through this. This will take a second per item. This will only take 3 seconds, but it will send some green through. So if we do that again, filter out green now, it will take 6 seconds. But it will send everything through. Okay. Here we go. Yep, works great. 13.7 seconds. Release. Accept, thank you very much. And Medex. Greetings! Our company is manufacturing organic natural painkillers. They are used to decrease suffering, mood improvement, and coping with eating disorders. Known side effect includes dilated pupils, diarrhea, physical and mental addiction. Perfect. Are caused by the human factor from time to time. Our work pick the wrong plants because they look like medical herbs. We'd like you to design an algorithm that would sort herbs by petals color. Okay, what the frick? Okay, green is welcome in all of these. Red should only go to these 2. Okay. These 2 basically need the same. This one needs something different. Let's put a decision system here. Can we split an output? No, we cannot. Okay, if we send all the reds up top, the green to the bottom, and the blue to the middle, we will satisfy the condition, even if it was a bit hacky, so to speak. Right? I mean, we could also go ahead and work out how to split this up. If I do this, 50-50 of the reds will go top and bottom. But I think I like my solution more, where I send green into the next one. Wait, is that even right? You know what, let's use an expert system here, actually. but it will be way too slow because it will send 36. Oh boy. Mm-hmm. Right? Yeah, that's way too slow. Okay. Let's stop that. Let's use an decision tree after all. Let's send the red ones up top. Okay, so now only blue and green come out here. No, some green will go up here, but that's not too bad. Okay, we're golden. Half the green will go up top, but it doesn't matter to me. And that way half green will go down, which satisfies... Okay, that was close, but it worked. And we only used 2 nodes, so I think we did good. Okay, now it's the Illuminati Origins. Strange man at cat.meow. Good day, I study ancient manuscripts and books in order to figure out the true story behind the Illuminati's secret society. I need to recognize all the triangular shapes in these documents to solve the puzzle. Could you design a program? Oh, it's triangles. Oh, sift. If an element shape matches the designed shape, that element goes to the top, others go to the bottom. Sift is one of the most powerful non-neural algorithms for detecting features on pictures, which is essential for image recognition. Alright, so we need triangles and the rest can fuck off. Okay. Yep, that looks great. Okay, it worked. Okay, release. Nothing to do. Working for the man feels too easy, boring, or soul-sucking. Aim for the sky and become a CTO of a startup. In the world of savage market laws, it's either sink or swim. Will you get rich or bite the dust? It's worth trying. Okay, we have Chicken Escape, which is some sort of task. There's a story comic coming up. By the way, the red one is the first non-tutorial mission. So we have 2 more tasks and 1 startup task. Hi there, my name is Sarah. Hi Sarah. I own a small technology farm. Our distributors demand supplies of eggs of different kinds, and it takes a lot of time to sort them manually. That's why we've decided to automate the process. We have all the data about experimenters, but we need an algorithm which will work out without human assistance and with high accuracy. Okay. Oh, that's some strange eggs. Okay, let's hope the time works out for this. What's DLL, by the way? What? Oh my god, we can create our own nodes here for use here. What the fuck? It seems cool, but oh Jesus Christ. Okay. Come on, we need a triangle, or otherwise the time will run out. And we only got silver. Let's edit the scheme and just do it again, hoping for a better pattern. So this one basically came down to no triangle appearing soon enough. Which will happen again, I think. Nope, yeah. I think we can only do it next time when we have better nodes. Let's get crowd. Oh, we did the same for medics anyways. Okay. Crowd psychology. Good day. Our company is making a research on crowd psychology. We need an algorithm which would be capable of defining a person's type based on certain behavior patterns. This way, we will be able to quickly identify dangerous individuals in the crowd and prevent unpleasant accidents. We have identified the parameters to work with, but we need experienced developers to write the algorithm. Oh no. I've just finished reading 1984 and that sounds eerily similar. Okay, we get... Oh wow. That seems pretty convoluted. Blues should go up top. Let's start with that maybe. And green to the bottom. That way we get half the reds up and half the reds down. But up here and upwards only circles and squares, so let's do that. Nope, that. Right, let me think. Whatever comes in, if it's blue or red half the time it goes up, triangles get trashed. That's the upper part. Down we get greens or reds. Green or red. We want to sort out red squares and green triangles. And trash everything else. Oh boy, I hope this works. It's definitely slow as heck, but I guess that's better than nothing. And 2 of our systems were already overloaded. This will be a bronze metal at best. And it was a bronze metal, what did I tell you? Hey, here it goes. Nodes used 6 out of 40. Fuck. I mean, it said 6 out of 6 for the gold. Okay. Let's do the startup, which is the Pizza Shack. Hello. We are honored to invite you to join our startup, world's first AI-controlled pizza place. But our fingers are always stained with flour and we can't really code because of that. Help us write and implement an algorithm that would be capable to separate orders for round pizzas from orders for square pizzas. Let's feed the people and become rich. A scheme created while working for a startup does not differ from any other, but there is no solution. The scheme just works or doesn't. It just works better or worse. And your future profits depend on the quality. Oh. You know, we don't have triangular pizzas right now, so we can just sort like this. Your program seems to be working fine. Further testing won't affect your result in this startup. Feel free to stop testing. You're trying to design an AI-controlled pizza place. It serves pizzas in round and square shapes. The scheme you designed is the brain of the pizza robot. It sorts orders by the shape of pizza. These are the users of your startup, in this case, your pizza restaurant. They heard of your amazing place in town and now want to grab a slice. These are your clients' orders. The millennials don't care too much about toppings, only shape. I feel personally attacked. Mind the accuracy. If a client gets a pizza they've ordered, they will pay you money and tell their friends about your place. If a client doesn't get what they want, they refuse to pay and don't expect them to return with friends. One more thing, clients don't like waiting in queues and they will leave with no hesitations. If your scheme is working slowly, the waiting line will get longer. The market is consistently changing, so pay attention to what's going on and experiment with your schemes. And now it's time to launch your first startup. Okay, we did the test run, let's release the code. This action deploys the code. From this moment, the startup will work. Alright, so this table is your principal source of information about your startup. Press the next day button to proceed. When you switch to the next day, you get the money you've earned or lost depending on how many users' requests was processed by the scheme. Hey look, your users seem to like what your scheme is doing. They're even inviting friends. The cash is flowing. The hype icon is green. That means your startup is all over the news. Expect lots of new viewers. Viewers? Users. Okay, Mama Smith Pizza Jack. Okay, we got good amount. What's that? Oh, we can sell the startup. We could patch something if something comes up, but nothing has, so let's just leave it as it is. Cool. You have 6.5 grand. Let's get this. Why not? And this. Oh, we can only show one. That's so fucked. Let's show the cactus. Nothing to buy here. Okay, we could buy the tambourine, which increases data speed. We could increase the work speed. Let's do all 3 of these. Cool. And cat skin is too expensive right now. Fuck. Okay. I think that was great start. Let's check the comic and head to the next video. Head to the next. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's check this story comic, then wrap it up. You have reached the end of the epoch. Click on one of the banners to proceed further in the story. Cat mail. This should definitely work. Eureka! The cat has been detected. We've detected the cat, everybody. Detected the cat. Alright. With that being said, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please leave a like. If you enjoyed it really much, subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye.